Here we have the X-pad. Also with the springs behind the pins. So you would position it on the X-pad. You release the air pressure and the pins get locked. You can take it out again and bring in to the same position. And the pins hold exactly this position, so you can move the part from A to B, or just as a station where one robot takes it from the other. So different workpiece, maybe something like this. Again, unlock the pins, position it with the robot, press in, lock, and you have your workpiece carrier ready. Take it out, bring the same one in again, and can be transported or gripped by the next robot. And you can also think about having it on an HGV solution. Therefore, we also offer the X-pad with an electrical solution, so you can transport any kind of parts. Show maybe one more. In the part, position it, lock the pins, and you have your fixture ready for exactly this workpiece within a second. Maybe one more. So like this one, position it with the robot or manual by hand, lock the pins, and you have exactly the shape for this part again. We also have the opportunity to connect it to the machine environment, so you know, okay, the system works as it should be. You also can combine two X-pads, so for bigger parts, no problem. Also position it with the robot, get the shape, lock the pins, and you have your fixture or your workpiece carrier for exactly this part. Also, if you have a bigger part, which is greater than the X-pads, like the one from the beginning, just also unlock it, press in, position it, and lock it. You have your fixture exactly for this kind of parts. So you can imagine in a production line with different workpieces, this can have a huge cost effect if you don't need to change workpiece carriers or even produce different kind of workpiece carriers. You just have one solution here which adapts to all shapes. Of course, if you would need to position a workpiece in a certain angle or certain position, you can use the modular system again with the connecting pin. So we have some standard elements like 50, 40 millimeter, or also 30-degree angle. So you lock it with the screwdriver. Second one, lock it, and then position the X-pads on the connecting pin, lock it again, and then you can also bring a very complex shape part to a specific angle position. You unlock the pins, press it in, lock the pins, and you have your fixture exactly for this part without any big machining of workpiece specific fixture system. So thank you for watching. Just to summarize, in the beginning we had here the assembly station where you can arrange different configurations and bring parts on it and position them. The gripping application in combination with the vacuum, where you can also grip different parts and also bring pressure on the parts because you have the shape, the specific shape. Then we had the gripping application with the flex clamp here on the gripper. You also can imagine having a big gripper with 4 or 6 flex clamp. So then you are able to handle parts up to 50 kilograms. And in the end, we had a solution with the workpiece carrier, the X-Pad, which will make production very effective because you don't need to change workpiece carriers, or also on HEV having different fixtures for different parts. So thank you, and I'm ready for your questions now.